Amy Talent, owner of Talent Co. Real Estate, and today I get to introduce you to one of the most unique properties we've ever had the honor of representing. I introduce you to 25671 County Road 15.5 in Johnstown, or what you might know as Little Seed Flower Farm. It's hard to capture everything this property has to offer because of its resources and benefits are so vast. So let's take it one step at a time, starting with a beautifully renovated 1920 farmhouse. This home seamlessly blends vintage charm with modern convenience, featuring an open floor plan that flows effortlessly through the kitchen and first living space. The kitchen is beautifully crafted with built-in shelves, plenty of cabinets, and a great amount of counter space for cooking. Heading into the first living space, we find room for a large dining room table and not one, but two seating areas. As we continue on the main floor, we find a special surprise, your own personal built-in pub. The bar and the kegerator are included, and this space is a wonderful place to entertain friends and family. Finishing out the main floor, you'll find a dedicated home office space as well as the primary bedroom, which has its own private sitting room. As we venture upstairs, you will find the 3 other bedrooms and will be astonished by their size and views, as well as another bathroom with both a tub and shower. We also invite you to check out the documents section of the MLS, which lists the many recent upgrades that have been completed. The benefits outside are even more numerous, and those with green thumbs and an investor-like mind will rejoice. The property is just shy of 15 acres and includes 5 greenhouses, a farm stand, a barn, and a chicken coop. The owners made smart investments, which makes the property not only lush but also lucrative, as 3 acres of the land are fully irrigated and there are 4 strategically placed water hydrants. 2 water shares of Hill and Brush Ditch Company are also included in the purchase. The final piece that's important for you to know about this property is its unique and beneficial tax savings as well as its income producing potential. This property is zoned as single-family residential agriculture, is not within a metro district, and does not have town taxes, creating a significantly less expensive tax bill. There's also no HOA at this property. More than just a fantastic home and land, this property can be an income-producing gem. Not only is the property likely to continue to grow in its value with our strong Colorado real estate market, but also because of the property's resources, this could be and has been the location for a successful business. The current owners have used it as an incredible, well-known flower farm, and the hay produced on the property have also brought a profit. There isn't a property more unique than this one, and we invite you to come and see it for yourself. The seeds have been sown, and it's time for the new buyers to enjoy the harvest.